Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berpuasa. My name is Zul. Welcome back to another episode of Soul Connection. Let's jump on to the show. I'm super excited to share with you my first pair of Jordans. If you've been watching the Last Dance episodes on Netflix, then you will know the pair that I'm gonna review today. Got with me a Nike box, but not just any Nike box. If you're a sneakerhead, you've probably seen this box before. Engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. The Bred 11s. Bred. The Bred 11s. I'm so excited to share this with you. This is my first pair of Jordans. I'm glad that I picked out a pair that comes with a lot of history, and the whole history behind this iconic pair is just what really pulled me into it. Not the standard Jumpman box for the Bred 11's 2019 release. This 2019 release has almost all the elements of the 96 OG Bred 11s. We have the 23 at the heel. We've got the red embroidered Jumpman logo. We've got that shiny patent leather. We've got that ballistic lightweight mesh upper. We've got the Jumpman Jordan tab peeking through the thick rope laces. It's got all the OG stuff right here on the 2019 Bred release. We've got the icy white midsoles, and you can see you have the semi-translucent red and black outsole with the Jumpman peeking through the middle. You've also got that carbon fiber bit in the middle of the outsole. If you're planning to couple pair, the Bred 11s are true to size. I wear a UK 7 and it fits me pretty snug and nicely. So the high patent leather gives it a very firm hold to the structure of the shoe. These are lifestyle shoes, but if I ever decide to play basketball one day, this will be able to hold up the intensity of being used on the court. Big shout out to Cool Boy for the t-shirt. Love it, love the design. If you want to know more about him, check him out on Instagram. Link is right here. Thank you very much for watching another episode of Soul Connection. My name is Zul. This is my Instagram account. If you haven't followed it, please click on the follow button. Turn on your notification if you want to see more sneaker reviews right here on Soul Connection. Wishing you selamat puasa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.